kids. Today we are going to study chapter 2 of class 6, which is whole numbers, and we are going to study topic number line on it. It is class 6 chapter 2 whole numbers, CBSE Board and number line. So first we will know how to draw number line. First draw a simple line. Then on center of it draw a 0. Then on left side of it we draw negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Then on right side of it we will draw number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way we will draw a number line. This is left side of number line and this is right side of number line. And this is center. So center always has a 0 and left side of it contains negative numbers because this has negative sign on it, that is called minus sign, and right side of it contains positive numbers, that is plus signs. We generally don't denote 0, we generally don't denote a positive sign here, but it automatically means it is a positive with having plus sign here. So this is the number line. If we want to plot 2 on number line, that means plus 2, plotting of number 2. So here we can say this is 0, 1, 2. So this is number 2. This is the plotting of number 2. Now if we want to plot number -3, then here it is number -3. And suppose if we want to plot -1.5, then how we will plot it? Go from -1 then to -2. So it comes in center of this. This is called -1.5. If we want to plot 2.5, then it is on the positive side, that is right side on the number line. It is in the center of 2 and 3, that is here. So it is 2.5. If we want to plot 4.9, then where it is? It is between 4 and 5. It is very near to 5. So this is 4.9. If we want to plot -3.8, then where it is? It is between -3 and 4 but very close to 4. That is -3.8. So this is the number line. Thanks and subscribe my channel.